how to add Zendrop to your Shopify store. So here we are just going to click on apps from the left hand side and we have to search for Zendrop. Now I'm going to show you how you can set this up. We are going to click on this first option, Zendrop dropshipping, and we are going to click on install. So just give it some time to integrate with your store. It will view customers and store owner and also products and orders. If we click on install here, then this will now add Zendrop to our store. Now this will ask for our password and email address to finish setting up this account. And basically if you log in into your Zendrop right here through this page, then it will automatically integrate it with your Shopify store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.